Now as a security executive, I get to benefit from the experiences that I have had along the way. I think about what skills do I have and why do I have them? Those are the tools that I've got to work with. And somebody different in my role who went through a different journey, they would have other skills that they would be using as tools to be successful at their job. My name is Lenny Zeltser. Today, I'm the Chief Information Security Officer at Axonius. But the way that I got to this role might be considered a bit untraditional. So I started out as a systems administrator. Windows, Unix, then networking, then network security, firewalls, intrusion detection systems. After doing consulting for a bit, I even tried to start my own company. But after a while, I noticed that I was getting bored. So I got into an MBA program. After graduating, I got back into consulting. And after a while, a person in the industry approached me and said, we need to build a managed security service. Do you want to try doing that for us? So I joined the company, and it turned out that what I was doing at the time was product management. So my way to becoming a CISO is a bit unusual, but it has been a continued journey in the world of cybersecurity that felt right to me. I think we need to be a bit flexible. Yes, we need to think about something concrete that we're working towards, and at the same time, let's be open to opportunities and also have the underlying skill set that allows us to stay in the industry but take on different roles if our interests end up changing. Cybersecurity is stressful. It's well documented in folklore as well as formal studies. The hours can be long, the situation's unexpected. So it's important to have something outside of work to maintain your stress levels and distract yourself with something. Cooking right now is my distraction outside of the world of computers. I appreciate the opportunity to cook. It gives me a chance to unwind after a day of work and enjoy the output of the work as well. In our family, we have 3 kids. Each one prefers to eat in a very different way. And so what that means is that oftentimes I need to make several dishes. Frankly, I enjoy the challenge. I actually do enjoy thinking that I have 45 to 60 minutes to make 3 dishes. And how do I do it? When you cook, oftentimes you've got a recipe that you at least use as your foundation. But at the same time, you need to know how to improvise and deal with the unexpected. I think that certainly has its parallels to security, where you do as much as you can, but at the same time, you know that at some point you'll need to react to whatever you encounter along your journey. The world of technology does change pretty rapidly, and that's the context within which cybersecurity professionals practice their craft. When cloud computing emerged on the scene, that was very different. When SaaS software became the dominant way in which enterprises want to consume information technology products, that was different. So we need to stay attuned to the way that the world uses, consumes, and interacts with technology. Let's dig in.